The law firm of Stormy Daniels attorney Michael Avenatti was hit with a $10 million judgment Tuesday in U.S. bankruptcy court after he broke his promise to pay $2 million to a former colleague.
Judge Catherine Bauer of U.S. Bankruptcy Court in Santa Ana ordered the Egan Avenatti law firm to pay the $10 million to Jason Frank, a lawyer who used to work at the Newport Beach firm.
At the hearing, the U.S. Justice Department revealed that Avenatti has also defaulted on just over $440,000 in back taxes, penalties and interest that he had personally promised to pay the Internal Revenue Service under another bankruptcy settlement for his law firm.
Assistant U.S. Attorney Naja Sheriff told the judge that the federal government would soon file a motion demanding payment.
Under the January 30 bankruptcy settlement, Avenatti personally agreed to pay the IRS $2.4 million in back taxes, penalties and interest, court records show.
Nearly $1.3 million of that was for payroll taxes that his law firm withheld from employees, but did not turn over to the government.
Avenatti has paid $1.5 million of what was due, but missed the deadline last week for paying the next installment of $440,291, according to the U.S. Attorney's Office in Los Angeles.
Avenatti, who has blamed the unpaid taxes on an unnamed payroll company, accused the Los Angeles Times of purposely confusing me with a separate legal entity that has no role in the Daniels case.
Irrelevant, he wrote in an email responding to questions about the $10 million judgment against Egan Avenatti and the missed tax payment. Overblown. Sensational reporting at its finest. No judgment against me was issued, nor do I owe any taxes.
Like other plaintiffs' lawyers who work on contingency, Avenatti lives on a boom and bust pay cycle. His most high-profile client is Daniels, a porn star who says she had a one-night stand with Donald Trump in 2006. In the 11 weeks since Daniels filed suit to void a non-disclosure agreement that bars her from talking publicly about the alleged tryst, Avenatti has become one of Trump's chief antagonists.
Mark S. Horupian, an attorney for Avenatti, told the judge Avenatti was not disputing Frank's right to a $10 million judgment under the terms of the bankruptcy settlement.
In a settlement of his firm's bankruptcy case, Avenatti personally promised to pay Frank $4.85 million, starting with the $2 million that was due last week.